So to start this video off right away, I do want to go ahead and show the Surface Duo 1 again, because someone commented last video and said, quote unquote, the second display wasn't working, and for whatever reason, the second display was broken. I'm not sure, but I want to go ahead and show that both displays work on this Surface Duo I just bought before. But anyway, today we have the Surface Duo 2. The best in the second chance argument for Microsoft. Now, on a real note, the Surface Duo 2 was a great device. There was nothing really wrong with it at the end of the day. It just was a lackluster upgrade. People expected a lot more. People expected it to be a grand slam, and simply, it just really wasn't. I love the Surface Duo 1 and 2. They're still my favorite devices, and I will forever champion them as some of the best phones from history. At the end of the day, not many people love it though. So when you put a $1,300 price tag on this device, plus the fact, again, that you have to deal with the fact it wasn't that much of an upgrade, people were not happy. Now, I did, when I bought this, I actually get a pen cover, the legendary pen cover, which apparently is like impossible to find nowadays, interestingly enough. And the person also included a Surface pen. So I got a Surface pen, and I also got a pen cover on this. So again, you know, cases really are almost impossible to find anymore of the Surface Duo lineup. Microsoft discontinued it and kind of ran away. They were like, you know what, we're done. We're wiping our hands of this, and we are getting out of here. So again, it is what it is at the end of the day. Microsoft did not care. Once this failed, they kind of said bye. And the only reason this phone even happened was because the Surface Duo 1 became so successful once they fixed the software issues. They fixed the software issues, they turned it into an Microsoft Xbox Game Pass device, and it became popular. So then Microsoft said, oh, whoa, we actually might have something here. Cue the Surface Duo 2. And the crap ton of bubble wrap is because this is coming in from Japan, ironically enough. So with that long distance, you gotta protect the device as much as humanly possible. And after 17 minutes of trying to unbox this device and get this out, here's what it looks like. So we got the pen cover on the phone, and of course we also, I think, have a screen protector on the inside, which is kind of cool. Based on what the seller said, they said that they did not utilize this phone much, and it's kind of almost to a point like it's brand new. They did say there was a chip on the camera lens, or a chip on the side of the camera lens, but I can't really find that chip. I kind of looked all over the phone in this video, and I also looked all over this phone and after the video, and I still couldn't find that chip that they talked about. I'm sure it is there, and I'm just not seeing it, but yeah. Now, one big feature you're going to see from the Surface Duo 2 over Surface Duo 1 is that camera bump. That massive camera bump that I feel like everyone had an issue with, but it actually has a camera. Surface Duo 1 didn't have a camera. Surface Duo 2 actually got a huge camera, which, again, to some people was awful because of the camera bump, but to others, people really did like it. We also have the Microsoft Surface pen here. Now, I'm not sure if this is the first edition of it or if the second edition. So let's open this up. Okay, let's take out this little thing right here. And I think this is the... No, that might not be the first. Is that the Slim? Because so how the Surface pen worked is, and there's not going to be any charger or anything in this box. They just included the regular box without charger or cable. Which I have, like, again, no real problem with. I don't think they said in the listing that it came with that. And as long as you don't say it's in the listing, I don't really care. But as I was saying, though, I'm pretty sure they had the Surface 1 pen. They had the Surface Pen 1, then they had this 2, and then they had the Slim, which was like the cheaper variant of the 2. So they're like 3 different generations, and I'm pretty sure they're probably still making them because the Surface Pen can still be utilized on their Surface Pro laptops as well. It doesn't just have to be the Surface Duo. But with the pen cover, it actually works very well on the Surface Duo 2 because of that magnets that holds it down and kind of holds it in place. So let's go ahead though and open this up again, and let's turn this bad boy on. Now, someone did tell me down below in my last video that I should go ahead and turn on the brightness. Definitely something I will take in consideration in the future. Sadly, when you do set it up, you can't change the brightness, I believe, so it is what it is. It's also set to Japanese because, again, this did come from Japan. Guys, tell me down below your thoughts and opinions though. Make sure to like and subscribe button if you are indeed new. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.